Here's an old Hudson right here. Commodore. Straight 8 in it. I like this split back window. Another feature I like is this this trunk latch right here. Check this out. This thing pivots up, then you lift the trunk. And we got this Javelin right here. 70s, early 70s. It's a stick shift car. Oh shit, can't open the door. Probably a 4-speed. Look at this thing. This is pretty cool. 10. Oh no, it's international. That big panel right there. Old hippie van. Big old dually. This just looks like a bunch of junk. It's a 4-door car. It looks pretty solid. I like how they put those mirrors up there in the front of the fenders instead of back there. Dash is still there. That's looking pretty good. The original radio's still in it. I like that little 3 clustered thing above the radio. I don't think the clock is in it. I think it's a 400. It's got the big block 361 in it. 1958 Chevy Biscayne. 1966 Ford Mustang. I've always wanted one of these. I almost bought one brand new. Celica Supra, 1985, back in the day. Mopar. Could be a Charger. Put a year on it for me. Looks like a Cadillac. Put a year on it for me. Looks in pretty nice shape. Talking to the guy inside, he said this is a 55 or 56 Mercury. It's a solid car. It's a 2-door. Let me know what year you think it is. And dash is in nice shape. It looks like a 3-speed on a tree. It's a Chevy. Let's see if I can open the hood. Nope, I can't. Straight 6 volt. Look at that battery. Yeah, it's a pretty solid car. Just come across this thing coming up the road here in Ozark, Alabama. Look at this thing. What year is that? Early 60s or mid 60s. All right, I got it out of the barn. Had to put 3 tires on it. All right, this is a 73 Mercury Comet. Okay, here's an 83 Ford Fairmont Futura. Straight 6-cylinder. This thing is 100% cancer free, or a little surface rust on it in spots. What a waste. I'm still disappointed. But here's some old stuff here. Now, they said this was the first part of the junkyard back in the day. Back in the 60s. 61, I think they said. No, 31. This is 31. What is that thing? That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. It's little. Here's a 55 or so. Yeah, that is 55. I got one right finally. Watch, somebody will tell me I'm wrong. Alright, and there's some newer stuff here too. Look at this thing. I've seen these things. Is this a Montego or something? Dual exhaust. No mufflers. It's a Montego, yeah. There's an old coupe. Mercury Montego, yeah. All right. Well, again, shit is just buried over. I mean, look at this. You got shit growing on these cars. You can't see them. It does have a certain advantage to see them like this, but my channel's all about actually checking cars out and trying to get a decent rundown on them. These here, I'm just kind of passing by them. There's not much I can do with these. Here's one I can look inside. Yeah, this one seems to be all there. Dash, got a radio in it, I think. Or not a radio, a clock on the right there. This horn button's in good shape. You got rust coming through the roof. And all partial places. Sitting on the ground, rockers are gone. Still haven't seen nothing special. Except for these damn mosquitoes. That's kind of a cool car. I'm guessing it's a 58 something, 59 maybe. Dash is there. Column shift. I don't know what it is though. You got lights hanging here. I thought it was rope at first, but it's lighting. I guess you get to walk through here at night. Oh, that's a Mercury. That's a Mercury. Alright, this is a small area here. Maybe it'll get me out the other end somehow. There's a newer Chevy truck in there. Little C10. Right there, the white. Oh, it's a tow truck. The white one. Here's a band of brothers sitting right here. Old Cadillac. Well, we know that hasn't been sitting here since 31. I don't think half this stuff's been sitting here since 31. I don't see anything that old sitting here at all, actually. Little truck. What's this? Cadillac. Old Ford over there. Ford next to it. Look at this tree, it grew crooked. Must have been under a car at one point. I wouldn't doubt it. Alright. Here's an old one. There's a couple old ones, but these are 50s. I mean, I don't see no 30 stuff in here. That refrigerator might be 30s. Let's go through here and see what we got. An old moped. What the hell is that thing? That's a bicycle. Alright, we're finally coming out of this thing. An old truck. Oh, well, it's a tow truck. I'll bet you they used that son of a bitch back in the day. Full of cans too. Why'd they save cans? Why'd they save all them damn coffee cans? Put their money in? They say I haven't buried them yet. Alright, this is my other 46. This one's a 4-door. Yeah, what? It's a Hudson Super 6. Super 6. There's the old radio over there in it. Most of the dash is 56. That could be, I don't know what year that is. Looks in pretty good shape. It's in the ground pretty good though. Rockers look good, fenders look good. All the hubcaps are on it even. That's wild. I can't get in it.